Welcome to another edition of Python for You. This morning I wanted to take a look at exception handling in Python. We're going to start with this today. We'll probably cover it in a few screencasts. I wanted to go through a very simple example. The way you set up exception handling in Python is with a try except block. So you have the code that you're going to try that might have an exception, and then you're going to have the except block. Now in your except block you can have one or more exceptions you're handling. You can have a comma delimited list here. You can also have multiple except clauses to have different handling for different kinds of exceptions. So if you had something, maybe you're processing XML and there's any of, say, 5 different exceptions that could crop up, you could have 5 different except handlers in there. So you could have multiple ones and have it appropriate to the kind of error that comes up. This is a real simple example though. What we're going to do is take some input, and if it's not something that can be immediately converted to an int, we're going to toss up this exception error and then try again. So let's go ahead and run this and watch what happens. So I'll run it, and we'll type in foo. It says try again. I'll type in bar, try again, type in 0, and now it's done because what happened was we execute this line of code. If it hits the error that we're looking for, it goes to this block of code and then doesn't do anything underneath the block that caused the problem. If, on the other hand, it goes through this without error, it finishes the rest of the try block, skips the except block, and then keeps processing. In this case, we have a break, so we're just done. But you see how this works. So your try is where you're going to process. If the errors that you're looking for comes up, then you go in here. If the error doesn't come up, you just keep processing. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Python.